Imagine waking up just steps from the soft sands of the Sea of Cortez, where every day begins with ocean breezes and ends with breathtaking sunsets. Welcome to Fantasy RV Tour's Ultimate Beach Getaway, your ticket to stress-free adventure on the shores of Rocky Point, Mexico. From the moment you roll out, we take care of all the details, including a fully escorted border crossing into Mexico. No hassle, no stress. Just smooth sailing all the way to your beachfront full hookup campsite. Kick off your trip with a group welcome dinner, where fresh seafood and sweeping ocean views set the tone for your week in paradise. Experience the vibrant charm of Puerto Peñasco, stroll the Malecon Boardwalk, explore local craft and seafood markets, and discover hidden gems with our city tour. Fill your days with beach parties, ice cream socials, and plenty of free time to relax. Or dive into new adventures like fishing, kayaking, parasailing, and more. And when the sun begins to set, the magic really begins. Join us for a private sunset cruise with festive music, delicious drinks, and the kind of memories you'll treasure forever. We'll wrap up the week with a spectacular farewell dinner overlooking the water, and a final morning together before heading home with new friends, unforgettable stories, and a little extra sand in your shoes. So pack your swimsuit, bring your sense of adventure, and let Fantasy RV Tours show you the ultimate way to experience Rocky Point. Book your spot today and let the beach be your backyard.